Hi mga Mamshi Marian here signing at our channel. So let me share with you our Christmas New Year gift from Danielle and Erica. So ayan. Since nagpapabili tayo sana ng journal, they bought us this one. The Bible in a Year. A 50-week journey through God's Word. Yan, let's unbox our journal, Bible journal for 2026. Yan, the Bible in a Year. Wow, hardbound siya. So there's an introduction, table of contents, week 1. So meron siyang theme. Week 1 is wisdom. I know. Week 11 na pala yan. Sorry. Let's start from the beginning. Week 1 is creation and God's nature. Week 2 is God's love. Week 3 is faith. Week 4 is prayer. So, meron siyang topic for the 52 weeks. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Danielle and Erica. Ayan. So, creation and nature. So, meron siyang reflection. Yan, mga Bible prompts and your own journal entry. Yan. Then, week 2 is God's love. So, we have 52 weeks. Yan, we have 3 weeks na nag-start. This is the 4th week of January. And, hindi pa dyan natatapos. And yan. Popsy, this is your gift pack. We still have more. Wow, we have the Didake, so we don't have to check on my email yung Didake devotional for the day. And there's a bonus, the Sabbath. Homilies for daily life. So yung daily homilies, so match siya dito sa ating 52 Bible in a Year. Thank you so much, Danielle and Erica, for my Christmas and New Year gift. Thank you for watching mga Momshi, Gen Z, Gen X, Gen Y, Millennials, Baby Boomers, our generation. See you on our next video.